Owls come in a variety of sizes and forms, ranging from 4 inches to almost 3 feet. The largest owl known to science is now gone. In 1954, Cuban archaeologists discovered the Ornimegalonx's remains. The largest documented owl in history measured 1.1 meters long. The tiniest owl in existence, the elf owl, only reaches a height of 5 inches, staying true to its name. Only little insects and spiders are the primary prey of this owl species. Southern Arizona's forests and desert cactus ecosystems are where elf owls generally call home. An owl's legs are mostly concealed. Owls may appear stocky at first, but their enormously long legs are concealed by their chubby bodies. Unless an owl's body is raised above the ground or its legs dip down during flight, the full length of its legs is typically not visible. One of the oldest bird species is the owl. Due to the similarities between owls and extinct birds, owls are regarded as the earliest species of birds. No, owls don't construct their nests. An owl will instead use a different bird's abandoned nest to lay its eggs. In order to make the nest stronger and softer for the eggs, the female owl would also use trash fragments and other items. 90% of barn owls lay 1 egg per year, whereas the remaining 10% lay 2 eggs. An owl rarely uses the same nest twice though. Owls mostly use hooting to communicate with other owls, but studies have revealed that owls also do this to stake out their territory and alert neighbors of their presence. Not all owl species have a hooting call. Barn owls don't hoot like other owls do. These owls are known to scream in order to communicate with one another. When predators or outsiders try to disturb their nests, barn owls hiss at them. The duration of these sounds might range from 2 to 4 seconds. The most distinguishing feature of an owl is its huge eyes, which are in addition to its unmistakable hoot. The majority of an owl's skull is occupied by its eyes, as would be expected. Compared to males of the same species, female owls often have larger, heavier eyes. For starters, a great horned owl's eyes together weigh about 26 grams, or as much as a golf ball. 3 eyelids are found on owls. When an owl blinks, its top eyelid closes downward. When the owl is asleep, the lower eyelid closes. The nictitating membrane, which shields the eye from dust and keeps it moist, is the 3rd eyelid of the owl. An owl's eyes are not all spherical, despite what many people think. Their eyes, however, are more cylindrical or fashioned like tubes. Owls' eyes are fixed inside their sockets, unlike those of humans and any other animal. The only way they can view their surroundings is by turning their heads upside down or sideways. When hunting, owls can blend in with their surroundings thanks to the color of their eyes, which is an evolutionary characteristic. Dark-eyed owls, on the other hand, like nighttime hunting. In the meantime, during twilight, owls with orange eyes hunt actively. Diurnal owls, or those that hunt throughout the day, are those with yellow eyes. Among all animals on Earth, owls have the best night vision. The nighttime vision of owls is exceptional, comparable to that of an eagle. Behind their retinas, their eyes feature another reflecting surface known as the tapetum lucidum. 2 families, the Titonidae and the Strigidae, contain every species of owl. The Strigidae group includes common owls, while the Titonidae group includes barn owls. Barn owls typically have heart-shaped faces, but ordinary owls typically have rounder ones, while the Titonidae family only comprises about 20 species of owls. The Strigidae group has about 220. A barn owl consumes 1,000 mice annually on average. Small mammals are completely swallowed by owls while they are on the prowl. Owls can devour about 12 mice a night on average. The owl has 2 stomachs. The first is referred to as the glandular stomach, which creates the bodily acids and mucus to assist the owl in distinguishing between the pieces of its prey that can be digested and those that cannot. The owls vomit out the other indigestible leftovers, such as its prey's fur and bones, after swallowing it whole. The owl's digestive process lasts for around 10 hours in total. Owls give their strongest young the first meal. The male owl will often go on a quest for food while rearing its young and bring it back to the nest. Furthermore, the female will break up their prey into little pieces and feed it to their young. The parents give the strongest child more food than the other children. As a result, when food is scarce, the youngest or weakest youngling will starve. Owls' necks have about 15 vertebrae. Owls have double the number of neck vertebrae that humans and other birds possess. Due to the additional neck vertebrae, owls have a greater range of motion and can spin their heads 270 degrees. The great horned owl's talons can be curled with extraordinary force. Approximately 300 pounds per square inch of force can be applied by the great horned owl to its talons. This force is equivalent to the strongest human bite. If you're having trouble visualizing it, these talons allow great horned owls to catch their prey and prevent them from running away. This power allows the owl to quickly smash and eat its prey. Only 2 owl species exist in the world that are nocturnal. Both the northern hawk owl and the northern pygmy owl are daytime owls. Owls aren't as nasty as you may imagine. Despite their peculiar characteristics and unsettling anatomy, behind their watchful eyes and terrifying talons is a species vital to preserving the ecosystem's balance.